Shilpa from Bangalore,
Yeah.
Karnataka state se.
Yeah.
And I'm currently working as secretary for the URGC ambassador,
Okay.
Sri Lanka Global Studies. So I'm a part of United Nations Global,
Okay.
also Indian member
Oh.
in the United Nations.
Okay.
And I'm also the General Secretary for the Krishi Foundation India,
Okay.
as well as the Vice President for the Before Foundation, Before You Foundation.
Okay.
India.
Okay.
So, from past 8 to 9 years, I've also been very active in the NGOs activities, the humanitarian work,
Great.
human rights, and and I've not been in any of the political parties or nothing. Just doing it on my own, and I help other foundations or organizations, to team up, and then we get along and we do a lot of activities, which brings up, a lot of awareness programs in the society, and especially for the women and children empowerment and things like that.
Great.
So,
Great.
thank you. And recently, I got to know about your wonderful mission, which is Crime-Free Bharat.
Oh, great. Great. I am very happy to hear that from you. Great. Great.
Thank you. No, you're doing a wonderful, job and wonderful work. So I wanted to bring this mission to South India as well, because I wanted a very powerful guru behind me who could support and guide me to take this forward. And I was looking for many platforms, to be very frank, recently. And this thing I came across, and thanks to God that, I could talk to such a great person. In a very short
I am
time.
certainly not great. I mean,
No.
let me modify your statement. I am an ordinary person, and but at the same time, God is helping me with a lot many theories, lot many concepts.
Yes.
And
that's the whole thing when it comes to universal law, Sarji. The universal law works in such a way that when you're doing a great job, and when you, especially for the, keeping society in your mind, it brings everyone together, along, like aligns it in one line where we can work together for the welfare of our people and for the welfare of our country, Sarji. That's what I believe.
Very true. Very true. What precisely I mean, basically, it is very unfortunate for our country that we had been on the wrong path. I mean, I may be corrected if you don't agree. I feel that in true sense we did not get any freedom.
Correct.
Because the rules, regulation, and everything which was enacted post 1957 to really exploit, torture, and to the slave Indians. So that legal framework, which was evolved with a very definite intention, it is very unfortunate that our people continued with the same.
You are right, absolutely right, Sarji. Because as you told, the people who are, who are in a very good position or status or whatever, mainly, what do you say, they are in the limelight. They always get the first attention, and everyone else, like the normal people, the middle class people, the lower middle class, has been very much affected through this whatever chain which has been continued from the year, as you mentioned, which I thoroughly agree. So,
basically, if you
have to fight together.
Yeah, very true. Basically, we need not to really fight. We have to change ecosystem without fighting. I have evolved a model in which there is no fighting.
Wonderful. Fighting means not in the violence, Sarji. Making people aware of how they have to be.
Just a minute. I think within a few minutes you will tend to agree with me.
Yes,
allow me to give that hypothesis.
Yes.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mathli Saran Gupta. I am an IPS officer of 1984 batch. I had been DGP for 7 long years, and in year sorry, not 19. In year 2017, I sent one proposal to Government of India. That was the crime-free Bharat. It is doable through the automated technologies. This concept was considered by the Government of India for 2 long years. In 2019, it has been accepted as a national police mission. And you will be surprised that I am heading that mission. I am the project head and nodal officer for National Police Mission for Crime-Free Bharat.
So wonderful.
Yeah.
Congratulations that finally it's been approved and
But I got superannuated on 30th of the September 2020, and I submitted one draft law which provides the legal and constitutional basis for the crime-free Bharat. And this concept flows from Constitution, Schedule 7, Entry 65C, that cast responsibility on the central government to create systems for enable the police for that, and using that constitutional obligation and responsibility of the central government, I drafted a law, or rather I drafted a kind of a act, which, or you can say bill, that is still under consideration of the Government of India, which provides one additional fundamental right, that is the fundamental right of normal citizen to the privacy.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and as all of our fundamental rights, nothing is absolute. So even this fundamental right is having one limitation, only one limitation. The moment you will commit crime, your right to privacy will cease to exist. The same system who is having all kind of the details, that will get your FIR registered without going to anybody. It will be in position to provide all kind of the evidences, and justice will be met within 30 days. That is basically concept of the crime-free Bharat. But then I realized that the politicians, they are not preferring good people. They are preferring criminals, people of the bad character like Brij Bhushan. And they are having no interest in really providing a good ecosystem to their citizens.
Absolutely.
So I was trying very hard. I was trying very, very hard to really awaken the people. And I found they are sleeping. So finally, I thought it will be very good. Why not to appeal to Honorable Prime Minister? Because ultimately he is the right person and he is having constitutional accountability and responsibility also to make a better India.
Yes.
And crime-free Bharat is having 21 objective, and it is having 21 model, which is capable of transforming India, and for that matter, any country.
Wonderful.
And it does not require even a single penny. That is still more important, because generally the financial resources, people will be citing them as a constraint.
Yes.
This is so powerful that whole ecosystem will change. I am just missing Shilpi. What you said your name?
Shilpa.
Shilpa.
Yes.
So Shilpa ji, I would like to say we are having a great we are having the great basically problem, which is more important than anything else. Do you know, I am having a prediction that 2/3 of the country will be suffering from cancer if we could not change our course of action.
Yes.
Do you want to
You are
see how
absolutely
many
right.
members of your own family will be suffering from cancer?
I've
Do
seen,
you
I've
want
seen it.
to do you really want to see them like that?
No, definitely not.
So that is very important.
Mm-hmm. Yes, definitely, sir. As you said,
So
we have to
Shilpaji,
take it
someone has
forward.
come. Would you allow
Hmm.
me to call
Please,
you a little
please,
later?
please. Take your
I,
time.
I
Okay.
I will just call back the moment I will be free.
Okay. Definitely.
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you.